Hi, my name is Dylan, and today I'll be doing a review on the Degitizer. The Degitizer was used by Denji Sentai Megaranger, and as most of you might know it, Power Rangers in Space. Denji Sentai Megaranger is the Sentai equivalent to Power Rangers in Space. This would also be known by many of you fans as the Astro Morpher. Now let's turn it on. This is what it sounds like when you turn it on. And there's a red button here which you can push, and this door opens. Let me show you a close-up of what's on the other side of the door. So you can see it has like a little legend. The first line shows the transformation code, which is 335. So let me show you what that sounds like. Next line shows you the call of the vehicle, which is 259, and this is what it sounds like. The third line shows the code for the mega tank, which is this. The fourth line seems to be the communication code, or to activate their light star helmet. And let me show you it. Next is Megazord. Sorry, that was 541 was the Megazord. So sorry, 108 is the communications, or light star, whatever you want to call it. Next we have an added feature, which is a bonus game. Basically, you're supposed to find the numbers. Well, you get the idea. Overall, this is being a fan of Power Rangers in Space. I mean, starting out, I was watching Power Rangers in Space 2 years straight. It was shown here in Canada. So that was like my own original series, because that's what I grew up with. So this changer means a lot to me, because I finally got it last year along with the Power Brace. So I really cherish it. As for a score of 1 to 10, 10 being awesome and 1 being poor, I have to give this an 8. 8 being because mainly the wrist strap. As you can see, I've used black duct tape on it, because what happened is they made the wrist strap really poorly. Like, over time it was starting to slowly break apart. The plastic was actually starting to crack in the middle. And I've had my Galaxy Morpher, and I have a Lightspeed Morpher, and those both have straps, and they're like 10 years old now, and still the strap is good as new. And yet the strap kind of brings it down, because as you can see, it doesn't look that appealing. But then again, if it's just for yourself and it's not such a big issue, then it's no problem. Just the strap was the only issue to me. Other than that, the sounds are really great. As you saw, it was nice and loud and clear. And as I told you, this is the first changer or morpher to have a sound chip in it, which I found pretty exciting. And this is the first change where you had to input codes, as opposed to just connecting two changers or using a key or whatever the case may be. So this is the Degitizer. And now for price points. Again, this is another change that's sorted out by many fans. Without the wrist strap or with the wrist strap, it doesn't matter, it's still sought out for. With the strap, obviously, it will be more sought out for than without the strap. I've seen it many times go for $32, or some put it for $10, because they know that the value of the item is going to go higher and higher, and eventually they will gain about $100 from it. And a mint version, I've seen like a mint versions for about around $60 on eBay. I don't know. I haven't seen those auctions in a while, but there's a dude that puts these up for around $60. The Degitizer around in eBay, and I've seen also a repeated Astro Morpher auction that's up for $60. And also, if another good thing to check around is Power Rangers forums. One good forum is rangerboard.com, or you don't have to check that forum. You could also check other Power Rangers forum, but I highly recommend rangerboard.com because a lot of the fans I've seen lately have been selling their changers or morphers, and this is one of the changers they have been selling. So if you're looking for this, look at rangerboard.com if you want to save up, because I've seen some members have been selling these for pretty cheap. So this is the Degitizer. And coming up next, and I forgot to mention, you probably noticed, there's a small beeping sound. Wait for it. There we go, there's that beeping sound. It comes up every 5 seconds to remind you that the changer is still on. I must say it is quite annoying, but at the same time I like hearing it because if I accidentally leave it on and waste the batteries, it gives me a heads up that I've left it on for me to off it. So it works out both ways, annoying but helpful. So this is the Degitizer, and coming up next is a review on the Digi Morpher, and that's the morpher of the Silver Ranger, released by Bandai America during 1998. Thanks for watching, and as always, please leave feedback.